Welcome to summer in Georgia, nature's favorite state. When I think of summer, I think of Georgia-grown sweet Vidalia onions. I'm going to show you one of my favorite recipes, chicken caprese stuffed Vidalia onions. So we're going to start by showing you how to hollow out an onion. Take the whole onion. You want to cut the root end off, cut the top off, and peel the first layer of skin off the onion. I like to use an ice cream scoop because it's more controlled. Scoop the innards out, and you don't want to go all the way to the bottom or cut through the outside edge because then your filling will leak out when it cooks. If you like a lot of onion, take out less. If you like a lot of filling, take out more. But always leave your bottom intact. All right, we're going to make our filling now. We've got some grilled cooked chicken, and this is Springer Mountain Farms. We've got some fresh mozzarella pearls, some fresh diced tomatoes, some fresh basil, a little bit of salt, and a little bit of pepper. Mix that up to combine it, and then scoop it into your hollowed out onions. Once they're filled, we're going to cook them on the big green egg at 350 degrees for between 45 and 60 minutes or until they're tender. These can be done ahead of time if you like and just held and heated up in the oven, or you can do them at the time of your cookout. Okay, these are ready to take to our big green egg. So we've got the big green egg heated to about 350 degrees. I've got a large cast iron griddle in the grill. It allows the smoke and the heat to come up through it, but it contains the onions and you can lift them off easily. Okay, so these have been on about 40 minutes and they are ready to come off. Look at that deliciousness. That just talks summer. So that's my recipe for chicken caprese stuffed Vidalia onions. Sweeten up your barbecue with Georgia-grown sweet Vidalia onions.